kay ganda, oh, kay ganda. Uy, mag-Holy Week na, no? Actually, Holy Week na. It started Holy Monday na, no? Itong Monday, Holy Tuesday, then this coming tomorrow, Wednesday, and then the Monday, Thursday is coming, and then Good Friday. May lineup of events ako na ipopromote sa inyo. Ayan, para kung naghahanapan kayo ng pupuntahan, okay? Here. Subic Food Festival is open once again. Actually, they started in April 11, no? Last April 11, nag-umpisa na uling buksan yung Subic Bay Food Festival 2025 at the Boardwalk. Gabi-gabi yan, may nightly musical entertainment, live cooking, music and entertainment. Okay? Over 30 food vendors from Subic Bay, Freeport, and Olongapo. Uy, daming pagpipilian yan, ha? So, ano man yung mga pili nyo, di ba? Whatever you want. Parang luluto sa harap mo. May mga ihaw-ihaw, may mga delicious and sweet desserts, foods and pastries, even souvenir items. Marami yan. Subic Bay Food Festival. It's gonna be up until Sunday. Ayan, April 20. Alright, yung isa sa mga it's ongoing, April 11 to 20 actually. Yung pinaka-highlight is on Black Saturday, dahil Saturday yon, 19 and 20 Sunday. Yours truly is gonna be there to join the fun. I'm gonna be the MC for the programs that will be happening Black Saturday and Easter Sunday. Punta po kayo, ha? I'm inviting all of you. Jam with me, sing with me. Ayan, magbibidyoke tayo magdamag. Doon sa boardwalk po yan. Okay? So, join me in the April 19 and April 20 program at the Subic Bay Food Festival at the boardwalk. Ayan, so may gagawin kayo. Tsaka, aside from that, of course, the usual Lenten season observances gaganapin pa rin. Alright? Like nauna na yung Palm Sunday, di ba? And then Holy Monday, we had the Food Festival at the Boardwalk, the Pabasa started, okay? And the usual Holy Week observances, di ba? Sa mga chapel, like sa Holy Land Subic Sanctuary, sa St. Anne Chapel, sa San Roque Chapel, St. Therese of the Child Jesus Chapel, okay? You guys may proceed to your favorite chapel for the Holy Week activities. Okay? Siyempre, meron pa rin yung Grand Procession, Way of the Cross, the Seven Last Word, and a whole lot more. Marami, no? Kaya hindi ko na mabasa isa-isa, ang dami. Basta, we have the Holy Week celebration lineup for you, yung observance natin tuwing Holy Week. Lunes hanggang Linggo, hanggang Easter Sunday. And egg hunt, the Easter egg hunt sa mga hotels, sa mga different establishments. We're gonna be doing the Easter egg hunt para sa mga chikiting, sa mga kids, chikiting patrol. Okay? And also on May 1, Labor Day special of the SBMA Labor Department. Lagi naman, every Labor Day, every May 1, merong job fair, of course, na gaganapin. From 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Activity Center, Ayala Malls, Harbor Point. And again, yours truly is gonna be there for the program to MC for the program. Ayan, may singing competition pa, ha? Alam niyo yung team song ng isa sa mga team song ng Labor Department for SBMA, Sulong SBMA. Ayan, may singing competition para diyan gaganapin. Uy, ang saya niyan, ano? Okay? So, it will actually, let me give you the complete program lineup. Umpisa pa lang, 5:30 a.m. pa lang, no? Umpisa na kagad, no? 3K Fun Run with REST, REST. It stands for Relax, Enjoy, Siesta, Time Out, Free Massage On-Site. Uy, I'll avail of that. Magpapamasahe ako. And then 10 a.m. umpisa na yung job fair until 4 p.m. And then 2 p.m. onwards, yung Sulong SBMA Singing Competition. Okay? So you guys join us. Apply kayo ng trabaho. Yung mga naghahanap ng trabaho, kung hindi man, just simply be there and join the fun. Okay? And usually pag nag-job fair ang SBMA Labor Department, may paraffle pa, no? Yung iba nag-apply lang, umuwing may wall clock, yun. Yung iba nag-apply sa factory ng wall clock, o yun, umuwing may wall clock, di ba? Nag-apply sa factory ng tawag dito, ng sapatos. Umuwing may sample na sapatos. Nag-apply sa factory ng factory ng kabaong. Hindi, wala naman. Wala naman. So again, Labor Day special of SBMA Labor Department. May 1, 2025 Activity Center, Ayala Mall Harbor Point. May 3K fun run, 5:30 a.m. And then the massage on-site. Meron pa ha. Job fair, 10 to 4, 2 p.m. Singing competition. Okay? So you guys join us. Alright? As we celebrate Labor Day. And also, shout out muna to our friends at ZMMG Co-op Hospital. Happy listening sa inyong lahat dyan ha, lalong-lalo na kay Ma'am Agnes. Ayan, she's tuned in on the live stream, okay? Yan. And also, congratulations, ZMMG Co-op Hospital, the first private hospital certified as a mother-baby-friendly hospital in Olongapo, Zambales by the Department of Health. Yan. Kudos to our breastfeeding committee. Dr. Daisy Rivera, Rayanne Ferros, RN, Arian Obispo, RN, Glory Chris Reyes, RN, Malen Mayor, RN. RM yung isa. Ewan ko ba't naging RM. RN din ba to? Yan. Sabi nga, breast milk is still best for baby. Yan. Ako'y naniniwala dyan. We should all promote breastfeeding. Yan. Also, best for daddy. Up to second year college. Yeah, so they're promoting breastfeeding. I'm just kidding. I'm just trying to make you laugh. Pero ZMMG Co-op Hospital, again, congratulations. Okay, the first private hospital certified as mother and baby friendly hospital in Olongapo, Zambales. Congratulations, you guys. Okay, ZMMG Co-op Hospital, adequate, appropriate, accessible, acceptable, and affordable health services. A couple more shout-outs for you to Ate Leia Hermihildo Moico. Ayan, happy listening ha. Thank you for tuning in. Keeping us in the background. Time is almost up for me. Do stand by for the next program. Pero may announcements pa ako. Si Ate Grace Gabriel. Hi, Ate Grace Gabriel. Hope you're doing fine. Si Vin Quijado. Happy listening. Kuya Francis Mercado and Ate Agnes Hipolito Tulio. Ayan. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Hope you guys are doing fine, okay? And do check the time. It's now 8:52 p.m. And of course, the time check brought to you by SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Ayan, okay. So check out this invite for you. We've got your next summer destination covered. Just spend a minimum of 1,000 pesos from any stores of SM City Olongapo Downtown and get a chance to be the lucky winners of day tour passes and staycation at Sinagtala Farm Resort. Uy, sarap yan. Sky Ranch Pampanga and Kamaya Coast. Okay, exciting, right? Yes, it is. Shop now from April 15 to June 15 at SM City Olongapo Downtown. The more you shop, the closer you are to your dream summer vacation. Shop and win promo. And check out the Ace Summer Staycation Sale. Chill at home with home improvements. Finds for up to 50% off at the Ace Summer Staycation Sale in selected Ace Hardware stores. Only from April 11 to 16. Alright? Grab surprising treats when you shop exclusively from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. with our Happy Hour Treats. Indulge yourself with delightful treats when you shop here at SM City Olongapo Downtown from April 1 to 30. The Happy Hour Treats. And Easter is on its way, and SM Supermalls is rolling out the most magical celebration this year. Families and kids can dive into a world of fun with exciting activities. Eggs talaga. Exciting. Syempre naman. Basta Easter eggs yan, no? And moments that will bring the spirit of Easter to life. Easter costume contest and parade. Calling all kids aged 12 and below to put on their most creative Easter-inspired costume and join the contest and parade on April 20. Whether solo or a squad, young participants can register with a minimum purchase of 1,000 pesos and strut their best look. for a chance to win amazing prizes, Easter egg hunt, and meaningful Easter Mass and blessing. So for more, visit SM City Olongapo Central and SM Downtown's FB page. Celebrate Easter at SM April 20. And the BDO promo is back. Enjoy your favorite Boteju dishes with up to 55% off when you pay with your BDO credit card. Visit Boteju Monday to Friday for a feast of authentic Japanese flavors and incredible savings. And get up to 55% off with a minimum 3,000 pesos. Promo runs April 1 to 30. And get ready for the hottest deals of the summer. At SM Home, score up to 50% off on selected summer essentials at SM Home Summer Festival Sale, April 1 to 30. And the Wish Bus is coming. Alam nyo na yan, Wish Bus. Yung mga may favorites sa paboritong makinig ng mga music sa Wish Bus, they will be at, the Wish Bus will be at SM Central on May 2 and at SM Downtown on June 6. Yan. So mark your calendars. Uy, ang saya niyan. Actually, the SM, it's going around the SM super malls around the country. Pero yun nga yung schedule for SM Central, May 2, June 6 at Downtown. And lastly, Holy Week schedule for SM Downtown, April 17 to 18. Close muna sila. And it's Monday, Thursday, and Good Friday. April 19 to 20. April 19 to 20 is Black Saturday and Easter Sunday, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. SM Supermarket, however, has a different schedule. Okay, April 17, 8 to 6 p.m. April 18, 8 to 5 p.m. And April 19 and 20, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. That's for the supermarket of SM Downtown. Iba pa sa Central, ha? For SM Central, April 17 and 18, likewise, close. April 19 to 20, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. For the supermarket schedule, however, April 17, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. And April 18, closed muna. Ayan, okay? Close muna dahil natatanggal yung sliders ng mixer. And then, April 19 to 20, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Alright, so those are the SM Downtown and Central invites for you guys. Okay?